Typhoon Khanun is forecast to advance north to reach waters off Korea's southeastern coast, some 90 kilometers southwest of Busan on Thursday morning, packing winds as fast as 44 meters per second, according to the weather agency.
태풍 카눈이 북상해 목요일 오전 부산 남서쪽 90km 해상에 이를 전망이며 초속 44m의 강풍을 동반할 것으로 예상됩니다. 북상한다라는 표현을 여기서는 이렇게 표현했네요. It is forecast to advance north.
Forecast means the prediction. That's what the weather agency is predicting using various weather models. You'll see that. You'll look at the 7-day forecast.
Yeah.
That's always the prediction of what the weather's going to be. Obviously, weather changes quite a lot. So at the moment, they're predicting that it will advance north, which means move north.
Yeah.
Advance means to progress or move. And then it gives you the direction. It's moving in that direction.
Right. So the key word here is to advance, to move in a certain direction. You could say advance south, east, west, north.
Northeast,
Northeast,
whatever it
southwest.
is. Right, whatever direction it is.
Yeah. 북상하다, advance north고요. 그럴 전망이다. It is forecast to do so. And it's going to pack winds of around 44 meters per second.
This might be the strangest phrase we had that people might not have seen this before. But think about it. If you're traveling, you pack your bag, right? So you have all your stuff in your bag. You've packed your bag. You're bringing it with you. You now have those items because you've packed them. So it can be used like this. Usually you'll see it when they're talking about weather. The storm packs winds, which means it's going to bring. It'll bring that. It'll produce or create those winds. Sometimes you'll there's other phrases that have pack. So there's an old phrase to pack heat, which is definitely like an American phrase, means to carry a firearm. You're packing heat. It's a slang. It's a slang term.
You're taking a gun or something.
You're bringing it with you.
Bringing a gun.
Bringing a gun with you. You can also talk about sometimes things pack a punch.
Which means?
It's quite strong. It has a strong effect. So, for example, there might be you might be at a party. Sometimes there's punch or sangria. Like it's a alcoholic drink, but it looks very light. But what if it's really strong? Whoa, this really packs a punch. It's very strong. Or some food sometimes that can be really, really spicy. It packs a punch. You eat it and all of a sudden, whoa, the effect of the spices really gets to you.
Because I'm so used to saying, packing winds of something, kilometers or meters, whatever, per hour or second, that I never really thought about what this might mean separately. But today, I'm starting to understand, that's right, it's like packing your bags.
Packing your bags. You're bringing something with you. In this case, I think of it a little bit more as it's bringing those winds because it's producing those winds.
그러네요. 우리 짐을 싸다 할 때 pack your bags라고 얘기하는데 여기서는 packing winds of something meters per second 이렇게 얘기하죠. 즉 마치 바람을 짐을 싸서 이제 가져오는 것처럼 이 타이푼이 가지고 올 것이다. 이러한 강풍을 동반한 태풍이다라는 얘기가 되겠네요.